Alright, are you ready to learn how to do angel wings? Let's start our top gel pink nude. Using my pink magnetic cat eye, I am drawing a heart silhouette. Magnetize it, then apply clear texture gel around. I'm applying the assorted AB crystal set in my bling category. Then apply shine top coat on the heart and matte around it. Now it's time to use white clay doughs. With one feather at a time, I am molding it with silicone tool and my engraver tool. Don't forget to cure in between. Now let's make an ombre tip using pink magnetic cat eyes. Apply pink nude, then blend it over. I'm drawing some super easy cloud using the combo of white art gel and milky gel color for this flawless look. Now finish with matte, and I'm gonna apply shine it on just the cat eyes. Check this out, girls. It's like my favorite set ever. It's crazy and elegant at the same time. Come on now, you know I want to see it in all different colors.